Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market review on Bitcoin. I've not done one on this platform in a while, so I thought in view of the recent price action, we'll do an update. We'll start with the weekly chart of Bitcoin. We can see after becoming quite extended from the top end of the cloud, we look at the price action versus the distance from the cloud. Bitcoin is pulling back now. And note how it managed to find a rebound within this, just close to the top end of the cloud. Yeah, that's a major support zone. So it did manage to find support there, which matches the September lows. Yeah. So it's interesting if, we got a nice little rebound from there. It's currently testing for support at the standard line of the cloud. It's that level there. So far, so good. Now, incidentally, this level that it rebounded from is 43,366 is also a front cloud support zone. So we take comfort in the fact that so far it did rebound from a key cloud chart level. As long as it stays above the top end of this cloud, the outlook remains bullish. Price action above the top end of the cloud is bullish. But as soon as we dip below the bottom end of the cloud, yeah, the outlook will change to bearish from bullish. So far, the weekly is still intact for the long-term trend. We did have a MACD sell signal here, so we might see some further weakness, but we can expect it to retest these top-end cloud chart levels, and then severe risk-off trade, we might see these bottom-end levels tested at 37,600. That's a key support zone at the bottom end of the cloud, so just be aware of that. If weakness continues and we slice through the top end of the cloud, we might hit this bottom end cloud chart support level. But so far, we did manage to rebound from the top end of the cloud, so that's good news from a long-term trading perspective on the weekly. Turning to the daily, let's go see what the picture is painting us there from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. Price action is below the cloud now. It's a bit bearish. That's the outlook is now bearish on the daily. The front end of the cloud was also trending down, but we did manage to find that rebound, very quick one, as we now know this comes from the weekly chart. Other levels to watch out for on the daily is this cloud chart support level. These all cloud chart shadow levels, these lines, and the top end of the cloud. Yeah, those two levels is a key cluster of support, as well as that old cloud chart level there. That's also a key support zone from the Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. So we are drilling into major support levels from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. So there's three levels to watch out for. Is this top end here at 47,900. The next one is this 46,300 roughly, 45,100, and then once again the weekly chart here is 43,256. So that's the potential rebound zone in this current sell-off. So the contrarian trade here is we buy key support levels and swing trade back up to the bottom end of the cloud. So that's the contrarian trade, but the outlook is bearish on the daily because price action needs to be back above the bottom end of the cloud. At least we need to be back above these levels, or just be back above the top end of the cloud there. So that's the challenge for Bitcoin. The resistance zones now is this support level that was broken. Bottom in the cloud is now a key resistance zone, so we do really need to get back above those levels for the outlook to change back to bullish from bearish on the daily. So these are the downside risk targets on the daily. There's an ultimate low here at this bottom end cloud chart level. Will be interesting to see if we get there, 39,895. So there is downside risk to that level, but we are looking for shorter term swing trades from this, from these cloud chart rebound levels to the back up to the bottom end of the cloud. It's quite a volatile sell-off here. We did have a MACD sell way up there. We did have another one up there. We ended up a cloud chart sell signal up above the top end of the cloud. So we are trading contrarian trades here on the daily because the price action is below the cloud. So watch out for potential rebounds from these key support levels, which comes from these old cloud chart levels there. Turning to the 4-hour gives us a bit more idea what's happening on intraday basis. You can see here we still fixed, if it would upload, there we go, we're still in a confirmed bearish outlook because price action is still below the cloud. You can see it sliced through the bottom end of the cloud up here and tried to break past there, got a failed buy signal there as it crosses the cloud to the upside, and now we're still in a downtrend based on the 4-hour chart. So make a note of these key support levels on the 4-hour chart. They come from the daily charts and the weekly charts, so these are potential rebound zones, as well as this cloud chart level there, that level there of 44,285. So these are downside risk targets on Bitcoin. But nice swing trade opportunities when it gets to these bottom end support levels to swing trade back up to the bottom end of the cloud, which is a key resistance zone. What we really want to see on the 4-hour chart is for Bitcoin to slice back up across the cloud here, and that these cloud crosses are buy signals as well from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. There you would have been stopped out on those trades there, but these cloud chart crosses make for nice buy signals. There's a MACD buy signal down there, so it'll be interesting to see if we're going to get a rebound within this cluster of support, and then we swing trade back up to cross the resistance level of the cloud here at 57.94, and the next level of resistance is 56.357, and the next level of resistance would be these cloud chart levels of 69.65, and then the ultimate resistance level would be 64.56. So these are the upside potential targets if we get a cloud chart cross buy signal on the 4-hour chart. A technical rebound, mean reversion type trade back to the bottom end of the cloud chart resistance levels. But watch out for potential rebound from this cluster of support that we get off the daily and weekly Ichimoku clouds. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.